Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can translate WhatsApp message on iPhone. So let's say you want to send a WhatsApp message to somebody on other language, but you do not know that language. What you can do is this. So let's say I want to write somebody what's up. I can say what's up. After I write the message, what I can do is like highlight the message. After I highlight the message, I can click on the arrow and choose translate. Now from translate over here, it's in Japanese. I can click on it and I can choose any language I want. After I choose the language I want, it's going to show me how it's going to appear. Now what I can do is replace with translation at the bottom and it's going to be pasted over here. If I send this message, it's going to be sent in Japanese. Now let's say somebody sent you a message and you don't understand the language. You can hold on the message, click on over here where it says copy. Once you copy the message, paste it on the chat over here and highlight the message and click on the arrow again, click on translate, and it's going to be translated from Japanese to English and it says what's wrong. So that is how we guys can translate WhatsApp message on iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.